Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 90 FPS gameplay support test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see friends, this is the OnePlus Nord 2 which I'm trying to use right now. So let's see whether the UI is limited to the 60 FPS or whether we can actually play the 90 FPS gaming is possible in this phone or not. That is what I'm going to check exactly in this video. The reason why I'm really interested to check because in the Realme X1 Max, the UI is limited right now to 60 Hz. Only sometimes if you use different kind of tricks, you can actually play at 120 Hz, otherwise 90 FPS as well. But still, the UI is kind of limited to 60 Hz in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. Some problem is there with the UI. That is what even I thought with the OnePlus Nord 2 device as well, because the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the combination of Oxygen OS and the Color OS. So that is the one thing which I did expect. But let's check in this kind of demonstration. We'll get to know all the details. So first, let's go to the display and confirm whether I'm trying to use a 90 Hz or not. Obviously, I'll be using 90 Hz because you can see the real-time refresh rate. As you can see, friends, refresh rate which says 90. So 90 Hz refresh rate is turned on perfectly. Now, these are the few games which I'll be trying to demonstrate in this kind of testing. So as soon as you open the game, you will be able to see this 90 Hz refresh rate. As you can see, 90 Hz refresh rate number. So not only that, you can actually see the real-time FPS meter as well in the OnePlus Nord 2. So I did upload a separate video how to enable the real-time FPS meter. As you can see, how to turn on the FPS meter in the OnePlus Nord 2. Try to check this video, you will definitely understand how to enable it. So once you enable that option, right now I was able to play this game exactly in 90 FPS without any kind of issues. As you can see, friends, no problem at all. So overall, the OnePlus Nord 2 is not limited to 60 Hz. So you can actually play 90 Hz gaming is possible in this phone without any kind of problem. So you should not be worried at all. The Realme X1 Max at this moment, it's not supported with this kind of high refresh rate. Maybe with the next update, it might be able to get fixed. But right now, the OnePlus Nord 2, there is no issues at all. This game is working 100% fine. Not only this game, there are a couple of other games which I'll be testing right now in the demonstration as well. Let me know to open the second game, which is the Shadow Fighter. Even this game, I'm trying to show you. As you can see from the real-time FPS meter, you can clearly see here. The real-time FPS meter, I'm getting about 88 FPS meter at this moment. No issues, as you can see, absolutely. 88 and 89. As you can see, friends, clearly without any kind of problem, you can actually get that possible. So you should not be worried at all, friends, regarding the OnePlus Nord 2. That's fantastic. So you can actually play the high refresh rate games in this phone. It's working out of the box. So you don't need to wait even for any kind of updates. So in this phone. So this is the third game which I thought of just confirming, which is a Subway Surfer I'm trying to play right now. As you can see, friends, you can see the real-time FPS meter. It says 89 as well, FPS meter. That's perfect. So 90 Hz refresh rate is completely turned on in this OnePlus Nord 2 without any kind of problem, as you can see, friends. So you should not have any kind of issues. It's for the gaming purpose. So UI is not limited to this kind of high refresh rate, nothing at all. There is no limitation for this OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's fantastic. Only limitation is there for the touch sampling rate, not for the refresh rate. That's really good to see in this phone. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Hopefully the Realme X1 Max should fix this kind of issues as soon as possible. Let's see whether they will be able to fix this kind of issues or not. But right now there is no problems with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details about the OnePlus Nord 2 device. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.